Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and here I am with a little pep talk, with a little motivation for my IELTS candidates. I know IELTS candidates are quite disappointed these days because sometimes they say tests will be held, then they cancel the tests, and then again they say tests are going to start, and then immigration is closed. Sometimes, foreign education, the doors seem to be closed, and you can't see anything other than darkness in front of you. So I'm just going to talk to you for a couple of minutes, and I'm sure after watching this video you will feel better. Well guys, listen up. Whenever we are traveling, we are on way to achieve something, we always come across disappointments. We always come across negative situations. In the search of light, in the search of brightness, we always come across darkness. And then we start thinking, if there is too much darkness, where will the brightness come from? Will we be able to see the light, or all our lives will be spent in the darkness? Remember, the darker the darkness is, the brighter the brightness will be. Most definitely. Because when we are all in dark, all we see around us is black. We don't see any positivity. We only see negativity. So guys, this is just the part. This is the part of the game. This is the part of the journey. Sometimes when you go on any journey, you travel, you find unpaved roads. Now those unpaved roads cannot stop you, because that's the part of the journey. After some time, there will be paved roads as well. The slowdowns come as we travel. Slowdowns mean the speed breakers, they come. But that doesn't mean the journey has finished and all the journey is going to be bad. Remember, the tougher the journey, the better the view, what you watch afterwards. Okay, so in your journey of going to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, England, wherever you guys want to go, this is the tough period and you have to accept it. Okay, never mind. Don't take things personal. Okay, you can say never mind. This is not only happening with me. This is a global phenomena. This is going on with everyone. But I know there is always light at the end of the tunnel. See that? If you are in the middle of the tunnel and if you are looking ahead of you, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. But if you are in the tunnel, there is darkness in the tunnel, and you also close your eyes. You say, well, I cannot see anything. Why shouldn't I close my eyes? Closing your eyes mean you sit back and relax and stop struggling, stop your journey, stop moving in the direction of light. Then most definitely you will always be in the darkness. It is said, it is better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. So sometimes that candle is a positive thought, right? In the ocean of darkness, if you just have a positive thought, something positive in your mind, that will work like a candle, and then you see gradually all the dark will be removed. When the daybreak starts in the morning, first there is all dark. Nobody can assume how will this darkness go, and then suddenly the color of the darkness, it fades away. It turns into blue, then gradually from blue to light blue, and then there is light everywhere and you can see each and everything clearly. So in your life, in your career, in your professional life, in your personal life, in your actually dream to go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, if there is darkness all around, do not worry. Just light the candle of a positive thought and everything is going to come up roses for you. Thank you very, very much. You are going to be the one who is going to send me a photo from Canada, New Zealand, Australia, USA, England, while saying, sir, look, it's me. When I was in Pakistan, when I was in India, when I was in Bangladesh, when I was in Nepal, Sri Lanka, I used to watch your videos. When I was in Africa, I used to watch your videos, and now I have reached there. And remember, our friendship means my friendship with you is going to be forever. It's just not that you clear your IELTS and you forget about me. That's not good, huh? Don't be selfish. We are going to be friends forever, and I'm sure at the end you are going to be in Canada. Alright, Australia, New Zealand, wherever you want to go, whatever you want to get, you can only get if you keep struggling. If you keep struggling in the right direction, if you keep traveling in the right direction, one day you will reach where you want to reach. Thank you very, very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. This is how we Muslims offer prayer, right? When we ask anything from Allah Almighty, from God, we just put our hands together like this. So I truly pray for you all that you get your desired destination, that you reach your desired destination, and may you have the most fulfilling life. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.